Adobe held their annual creators event Adobe Max last week. This is by far my favorite creative event. On Monday, they released Photoshop for iPad. This was first announced at last year's event. This will be the full desktop version of Photoshop on a mobile device after more software updates. Adobe is taking full advantage of the iPad Pro power, which Apple claims is more capable than competitors' laptops. I have an older 2.5-inch iPad Pro, and I'm curious to see how my tablet will handle the workload. I feel that I haven't really pushed my device anywhere close to its limits. This will be a good time to see how capable it is. I also want to see just how much better, if at all, Photoshop is. At a standalone subscription fee of R175 per month, it is not cheap. An alternative option could be to subscribe to Adobe's photography plan, which is $10 or 150 Rand per month at the time. Photoshop is then bundled along with Lightroom. This plan offers apps for both the mobile and desktop. Compared to Affinity Photo, by Set of Labs, which is a once-off payment of 300 Rand for iPad, Photoshop better be good. I want to make thumbnails for my YouTube videos, so this would be a perfect opportunity to test these apps and get some work done. Another app that I will be testing is Apple's very own Photos app, which has seen major improvements this September with the release of iOS 13 and iPadOS. I don't expect this app to rival Photoshop, but it's free and maybe enough for a light editor. I think it matches features more closely with Adobe's Lightroom, which is free on mobile. The only problem for me with Adobe's free apps are that they still favor a user with a Creative Cloud account. The full Adobe Creative package usually goes on sale this time of the year, Black Friday. But unless you're a professional creator, forking out 792 Rand a month for software is a huge commitment. It is, however, an extremely capable package, and if you have the right devices, you won't need any other software to unleash your creativity. I have always been really impressed by Adobe and the ease of use of their products. They are all extremely intuitive, but if you still find yourself overwhelmed, Adobe have improved the tutorial demos by making them interactive. There are also tons of videos on YouTube by Adobe themselves, as well as by both independent and affiliated designers. The improvements announced at the keynote seem to be aimed at new users, and in particular, younger users. There are massive price reductions for students, teachers and educational institutions, and this should help with introducing powerful software to young creators. I'm really hoping I could take advantage of this as a part-time student and someone who works at a university. That would be awesome. Adobe also announced that they'll be releasing the full Illustrator for iPad. I honestly hope they don't take a full year for this tool. The vector editing tool is my favorite, though I've only ever used it once to design my ChemCount logo. I'm looking forward to testing out Photoshop on iPad for a month and then later testing its capabilities against Affinity Photo and Pixelmator. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos on making technology work for you. Also, hit the bell to be notified first when a new video is released. Thanks for watching.